Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to share 10 low-maintenance landscaping ideas that not only save you time but also look stunning in any outdoor space. Whether you're a beginner gardener or just looking to simplify your upkeep, these tips will help you create a beautiful landscape that thrives with minimal effort. From choosing native plants to installing hardscaping features, we've got the perfect solutions to elevate your yard without the hassle. Let's dive in and transform your landscape into a stunning, easy-to-care-for haven. 1. Use native plants. One of the best ways to ensure a low-maintenance landscape is to incorporate native plants. These plants are naturally adapted to your local climate and soil conditions, which means they require less water, fertilizer, and pest control. Native plants also attract local wildlife, such as birds and butterflies, adding life to your garden. By choosing plants that are already suited to your environment, you can create a vibrant landscape that thrives with minimal effort. Imagine a garden that seems to take care of itself while providing a natural habitat for local creatures. This approach not only saves time and resources but also contributes to the ecological balance of your area. 2. Incorporate ground covers. Ground covers are an excellent way to reduce the amount of lawn area in your yard, which can save you time on mowing and watering. These low-growing plants spread quickly and can fill in bare spots, preventing weeds from taking over. Options like creeping thyme, sedum, or clover not only look great but also provide a lush, green carpet that requires little maintenance. Additionally, ground covers can help retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. Imagine them as the natural carpet of your garden, offering beauty and practicality without demanding much from you. 3. Install hardscaping features. Hardscaping refers to the non-plant elements of your landscape, such as patios, walkways, and retaining walls. By incorporating hardscaping features, you can create functional outdoor spaces that require little to no maintenance. Materials like stone, brick, or concrete can withstand the elements and provide a durable foundation for your landscaping. Adding features like a fire pit or a seating area can enhance your outdoor experience while minimizing the need for plant care. Think of hardscaping as the backbone of your garden, offering structure and usability without the frequent touch-ups required by plants. 4. Opt for perennial. Perennial plants are a fantastic choice for low-maintenance landscaping. Unlike annuals, which need to be replanted every year, perennials return year after year, providing consistent beauty with less effort. Many perennials are hardy and can thrive in various conditions, making them a reliable choice for your garden. Consider options like daylilies, coneflowers, or hostas, which offer vibrant colors and textures without the hassle of replanting each season. Perennials are like old friends returning time and again, greeting you with familiar beauty and asking for little in return. 5. Use mulch. Applying mulch to your garden beds is an effective way to reduce maintenance while enhancing the appearance of your landscape. Mulch helps retain moisture in the soil, suppresses weed growth, and regulates soil temperature. Organic mulches, such as wood chips or shredded bark, can also improve soil quality as they break down over time. By using mulch, you can create a polished look in your garden while minimizing the need for watering and weeding. Mulch acts like a protective blanket for your garden, offering both nourishment and a neat appearance. 6. Create a rock garden. Rock gardens are not only visually appealing but also require very little maintenance. By using a variety of stones, gravel, and drought-resistant plants, you can create a stunning landscape feature that thrives in poor soil conditions. Rock gardens are perfect for areas with limited water availability, as they require minimal irrigation. Additionally, the unique textures and colors of rocks can add depth and interest to your outdoor space. Imagine a serene, zen-like area where nature's raw elements come together to form art that needs little care. 7. Install an irrigation system. An efficient irrigation system can significantly reduce the time and effort spent on watering your garden. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses deliver water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. By automating your watering schedule, you can ensure that your plants receive the right amount of moisture without the need for constant monitoring. This not only saves you time but also promotes healthy plant growth. An irrigation system is like having a personal gardener that takes care of watering, leaving you free to enjoy the beauty. 8. Choose low-maintenance lawn alternatives. If you're looking to reduce the amount of traditional lawn in your yard, consider low-maintenance alternatives. Options like clover, fescue, or even artificial turf can provide a green space without the need for regular mowing, fertilizing, or watering. These alternatives can create a beautiful and functional outdoor area while significantly reducing the upkeep required for a traditional grass lawn. These options are like giving your garden a makeover, turning it into a space that looks great with minimal fuss. 9. Group plants with similar needs. When planning your landscape, grouping plants with similar water and sunlight requirements can simplify maintenance. By creating zones in your garden, you can ensure that each plant receives the appropriate care without overwatering or neglecting certain areas. This approach not only makes your gardening tasks easier but also promotes healthier plants by minimizing competition for resources. It's like creating a community where everyone thrives because they have what they need, reducing your workload and enhancing the garden's health. 10. Incorporate evergreens. Evergreen plants are a fantastic addition to any low-maintenance landscape. They provide year-round greenery and structure, reducing the need for seasonal replanting. Evergreens come in various sizes and shapes, making them versatile for different garden designs. By incorporating evergreens, you can create a visually appealing landscape that remains vibrant throughout the year, even during the colder months. Evergreens are like the steady friends of your garden, offering consistent beauty and presence regardless of the season. By implementing these 10 low-maintenance landscaping ideas, you can create an outdoor space that looks amazing while allowing you to spend more time enjoying your yard and less time maintaining it. Whether you choose native plants, hardscaping features, or efficient irrigation systems, these strategies will help you create a stunning landscape with minimal effort.